Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with some cards and see what we get today. Keep what resonates with you and let the rest go. Flames of passion. Let the flames of your passion light your way, but be mindful of the fires they may ignite in your journey. Ignite ambition. Pursue desires with drive and face consequences bravely. Keep an open mind as answers reveal your journey. And today's angel number. Let's take this one. 4444, divine guidance. Have you been seeing a lot of fours lately? I sure have. I receive divine guidance with an open heart. The universe speaks to me through signs and intuition. I am attuned to its messages, which lead me towards my highest path. And what else do we need to hear today? Boundaries are like keys that open doors to more personal freedom. Alrighty, which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do this one. Try reframing the phrase survival instinct as a creative force. When you correct your mind, everything else will fall into place. Correct will be different for everyone. Find what works and helps you. Keep learning about yourself. Today, your challenge is to bring new sight to your everydayness. Appreciate the pillars in your life. Make someone's day more exciting by texting them "on my way" at 7:30 a.m. when you don't have plans with them. Bullies aren't just teenagers, they are also adults in offices with nice titles who think they have the right to break the spirits of others, so they feel better about themselves and their empty lives. Both faith and fear demand you to believe in something you can't see. You choose. And the last one today. Everyone in my past did what they knew how to do, and I chose to buy into it at that time. Today, I'm going to stop this crazy kind of thinking and remind myself that I am a divine being. A human one. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.